Hi and welcome to another video by me, FlowJoe. Today we are going to be looking at the empty function on PowerAutomate. Now I'm going to start with a collection of Joe, Jax and Meg. So this collection is going to be an array, and before you ask, Jax and Meg are my cats. So let's look at the collection example then, because empty doesn't just do collections, it also does strings as well as objects. So we're going to go through three different things here. So let's create a variable of names and pass in Joe, Jax and Meg, so we have an array of those. Then let's pass names into empty. So what we're going to expect back from empty is it's going to check to see if our array is empty. It's not, so we're going to get a return of false. Then if we go into the object example, so I've just got a JSON object. I'm going to then pass that into empty, and then what am I going to get back? I'm going to get back false again because our JSON object is not empty. Now it's pretty much the same thing with string. Let's create a variable called name with FlowJoe, and then we're going to pass the string variable of name into empty, and we're going to get back false because we have a string there. So let's actually take a look at this on PowerAutomate then. Okay, so we're on PowerAutomate and we have a manual trigger. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating an array first called the names array, and then we're going to be adding Joe, Jax and Meg to that array. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting some JSON, which is just name Joe, Jax and Meg again, and passing that JSON. And then we're going to actually be creating a string variable called string name, and we're just passing in FlowJoe. What we're then going to do is we're going to go into each of these and use the empty function. So we're going to use the empty function to pass in the array of names. We're going to use the empty function to pass in the JSON object, and then we're going to use the empty function to pass in the string. So let's get this running and see what happens. So let's just run our flow. Okay, cool. So the flow ran successfully. We've done all of the array, JSON and string, so let's see what we get back. So our names array obviously comes back as false because we've got 3 names in there. Our object of JSON comes back as false because we actually have some items in there, and then the string comes back as false as well. And that is how you use the empty function with 3 different types of data. That's it from me, FlowJoe. Check out my blog at flowjoe.io for more guides on the Power Platform, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.